Hey there, Dr. Crypto here. I just want to do another Vulcan Forge update. So I hope everybody's well and having a great day. And if you like this kind of content, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe to help the channel. That'd be absolutely fantastic. Now, I want to have a quick look at Vulcan Forge because it's a project. It's one of my biggest projects that I've got in my portfolio in terms of play to earn. This project is just like phenomenal. You know, they're building through this bear market, this really aggressive bear market, but they've also got the backing as well off like Skybridge, which is run by Anthony Scaramucci. You know, so they are basically a project who really do mean business in the play to earn genre and basically the NFT area. These guys are building and they're building hard. So without further ado, let's just have a quick check of what actually is Vulcan Forged. So basically the overview of Vulcan Forged is basically a blockchain game. Is basically on the rise due to cryptocurrency's newest reward system called play to earn, also known as P2E. So basically, by merging the non-fungible token, NFTs and metaverse projects like Sandbox, blockchain gaming has opened the way for consumers to earn crypto while playing. So Vulcan Forge just basically fell onto this. It is a blockchain-based play-to-earn crypto game created by gamers for gamers. The game is based on an Ethereum blockchain that makes games in incubates, basically decentralized application for dApps, supports third-party games and creators, and facilitates NFTs and native tokens. So basically, you know, you can buy, sell NFTs, you can play games and earn from that, which is basically Lava. That's their earn token. So basically, also, this project, it was created by the CEO and co-founder Jamie Thompson. He's basically built a project from just a couple of staff members. Now they've got around about 140 supporting staff. They've also got, yes, Anthony Scaramucci, which is basically Skybridge. They have invested 8 billion into Vulcan Forge, and they have an addition 33 million to play about with. So, you know, this project means business, you know. So let's have a quick look, just because I've noticed on Twitter that we have had some tweets off Anthony. So let's just dig into that. So Anthony Scaramucci has a great point here regarding Vulcan Forge and their native token PYR. He says here, it has more users and great fundamental. It just needs more people to understand what they are. And I'm 100% behind that, because when people actually sit down there and look at this project to what they are actually building, it is, and I said this in a tweet a while back ago, it is absolutely mind-blowing what they're doing. You know, and when you've got institutional people backing this, you know, these people have the money and they have the eyes for projects that are going to succeed. You know, that Skybridge will not put that money in if they don't think this is going to succeed. They see the vision of Vulcan Forged, and so do I, and that is why I have invested in them. And like I say on all videos, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. You know, so on this tweet here, Guilds of World's End says PYR hit $50 in the last bull run. Basically, it was just a sandbox game. Now PYR Sandbox is becoming a deeper MMORPG. PYR fuels the new Roblox type of metaverse where users create paintball arenas, worlds and games. PYR is the token for a new layer 1 blockchain compatible with MetaMask. PYR will be $100 token. I reserve that price on that. That's quite a big step, but you know, nothing is impossible, and he could be quite right. You know, because when you've got you've got big investors involved in this, they're going to want to see. You know, they may love the project, but they want to see those gains come from it. You know, they want to see profit. They're businessmen at the end of the day. So you know, I've invested in this, And like I said, you should always do your own research and your own due diligence, and never put more money than you're willing to lose. So we've got this other one here, another tweet, which came only about 9 hours ago from Vulcan Forge. In one of our biggest milestones ever, Vulcan Forge Market is about to transition to Agora. Is the official and dedicated NFT marketplace to all projects on our L1 blockchain on their Elysium blockchain. MetaMask compatible, Agora will host over 30 projects powered by PYR. So basically, the Agora is Vulcan Forge simple to use system for creating art NFTs. The bonus here is there is no gas fee for the NFT heaven. With Agora, you can create, collect without worrying about those hidden costs. Because when you go and buy an NFT, you think, what's the cost for this? And you look at it and you think, blimey heck, it's actually, the cost is more than what the NFT cost. So anyway, so basically, so if you fancy yourself as a creator of the next NFT collectible, then that is the one to look at, the Agora. So it says, basically what they've said is for just one lava, current price at time of talking about this, you can mint your own NFT using Agora's simple to use system, and from there go on and build a collection list of your NFTs on the marketplace. So basically, the possibilities are endless on this. So it's like I said, they're building all this exciting stuff, for NFT, gamers, you name it, the metaverse, they're building hard. So let's have a quick look at what are they actually building in terms of the metaverse. So Vulcan Forge is basically creating an immersive virtual experience, which is called Metaverse. So as this tweet outlines, basically from July the 19th of 2022, last year, we're 100% confident that the metaverse trends become global. That is why we've integrated VR into our Vulcanverse and creating a metaverse as a service with product Metascapes. And obviously it says there learning more about it. So basically, the Vulcan Forge has launched Metascapes, an immersive virtual experience that will allow players to create plots of land from scratch for free. What they say is on Vulcan Forge, there is no limit to the lands players can make, and they also get to choose where you can basically buy or use the land. When pieces of land is created, players can build structures, they can design the landscapes based on their preference. In addition, they can also upgrade with land and valuable assets, basically, properties, museums, whatever you want, really. So basically, since the Metascape is ever expanding, the number of mortals like ourselves is ever growing too. So basically, furthermore, properties can be sold in the metaverse as NFTs. So it allows players to see NFTs and forge their plots offline. So you don't have to do it online. You can do it offline. So while the PYR, which is their token, is backed to store all of the transaction, players can also allow whoever they want to go through their spaces, and avatars can travel through any Metascape. Metascapes are accessible through VR headsets. This is because Vulcan Forge has the latest and widely accepted metaverse, and it is powered by their native token, which is PYR. And I'll just go into PYR after this. We'll have a look at the charts and just have a quick check to see what's going on there. But also, the Vulcan ecosystem is a play-to-earn fantasy game where players can earn lava and NFTs too. So, like I said, with Vulcan Forge, they've got Metascapes, they've got play-to-earn, they've got games you can just download and play to earn lava. They're building absolutely everything. So, when you go to their website, take a check of the website and have a good look through it. You can go to the games, the marketplace, Vulcan decks. You can log on to your own account. And basically it gives all the white papers, the bridge, and also the roadmaps. And, it gives you everything there. These are the games, basically, you can download, like Vulcanverse, Forged Arena, and you've got this block babies. These also are employing people from other gaming industries, from like EA Sports. That's the kind of people they're employing. So this is going to get bigger. No doubt in 2023 or 2024, we're going to have probably another couple of games added into this as well. So they're doing it. And basically, how to use a platform, it's all really, really explanatory and easy to use. You've got the NFTs, and then obviously it gives you about what the token is doing at the moment in Vulcan Forge. So without further ado, let's just check out what is actually the price at the moment and what's happening. So look at the charts at the moment. So PYR which is Vulcan Forge's native token, is currently sitting at $3.7. And that. So like I said, from its all-time high, it was around about $45 to $50. So look how far we are down at the moment. So this has plenty of room to make more moves up. And I'm pretty sure, no financial advice, but I'm pretty sure if the crypto market keeps on moving up, I am expecting though a little bit of retracement, especially after Bitcoin's run. Every time you get big runs, you get some sort of retracement, and hopefully it'll go down to support, make a new level of support, and then make its way up. But as it is of today, we're looking pretty bullish. So, the chart is showing at the moment on the 4 hours that we've created a little bull flag, sorry, not bear flag. So we can get that, basically extrapolate that up to around about here. We've broken out, gives us just over, coming up to about $4.50 really. So we've also broken basically the trend line down. So we've actually broken out of this quite heavily, So if we look on the daily, it gives you a bit of a better view, really. So as you can see, from the top of the bull market, we've just hit it, kept on hitting it all the time. But now we went into this channel here and we bust straight through it. So as subject to all the rest of the market, goes up, obviously there's a bigger chance that PYR are going to go up, but I'm expecting Bitcoin to have a little bit of a retracement after its big run up to have. So just be prepared for that and be very mindful of that. But like I said, we've created this bull flag, and to me, we're looking at something we could go up to around about $4.50 at the moment, given the market's what the market's doing. So if we quickly look at the coin market cap, which is the go-to, which I always go to. Sometimes I use CoinGecko as well. But like I said, we're just on the. If we turn this to dollars, because I don't know why that's on there, but yeah. So if you turn it to the dollars, we're around about, like I said, $3.07. So we're looking quite healthy. So market cap is up by 3.25%, fully diluted market up by 3.21%, and volume 24 hours is at 20.58, which is not too bad at all. But when you look at this, it's always a bit bearish. But most people on here are pretty bullish. You always get the odd bear, but yeah, pretty bullish on this. This is something. And like I said, when you look down here, we can see here the all-time high was, I was roughly right, $49. All-time low is $1, just over $1. So from the all-time high, we were down about 92%. So we've got, invest. For me, I've been investing in it. So, we've got room to make a move up. So when that bull market starts, what is this going to do? It is going to absolutely explode. For everything they're building on it, I'll be really shocked if it ever went to zero. But, nothing's impossible. But these guys are really building. These got strong fundamentals, a strong team, and the team is just building. And they've got people, backing them. Institutionals backing them. So it's looking all good. So anyway, I'll leave everybody to it. So if you like this kind of content, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, and we shall see you in the next video.